Hello, welcome to the tutorial on how to extract specific pages from PDFs in C# using iText library. I remain Benjamin Fadina. Now, I am going to Solution Explorer for the project. I'll double click on the project file, and here you can see the packages that are being used in the project. There are two packages. The packages are iText 7 and iText 7.bouncy castle adapter. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to take you through the code file. So let me make this 130. Now I'm going to hand over to a screen reader for a detailed explanation of the code file. Thank you.
Line explanation of the C# PDF. Page extraction code. Overview. This C# program utilizes the iText library to extract specific pages from a PDF document based on search terms provided by the user. It prompts the user for input file paths, the number of search terms, in the search terms themselves, then searches for those terms within the PDF's pages and extracts any pages that contain them into a new PDF document. Code breakdown. Using iText.kernel.pdf. Using iText.kernel.pdf.canvas.parser. Using iText.kernel.pdf.canvas.parser.listener. Using iText.kernel.pdf.object. Using iText.kernel.utils. Using system. Using system.collections.generic. Using system.io. Namespaces import. These using directives import necessary namespaces from the iText library in the .NET framework, which are essential for PDF manipulation and file handling. iText.kernel.pdf contains classes for creating and manipulating PDF documents. iText.kernel.pdf.canvas.parser provides functionality to extract text from PDF pages. OSystem provides basic functionalities including console input/output. OSystem.collections.generic enables the use of generic collections like lists. OSystem.io allows file input/output operations. Namespace extract pages. Namespace declaration defines a namespace called extract pages, which groups related classes together. Class program. Class definition defines the program class where the main logic of the application will reside. Static void main, string args. Main method, the entry point of the program where execution begins. Console.write, enter the full path to the input PDF file. String input path equals console.readline. Input PDF path prompts the user to enter the full path of the input PDF file and reads the input into the variable input path. If file.exists, input path. Console.redelete, the input file does not exist. Please check the path and try again. Return. Input validation checks if the specified file exists. If not, it displays an error message and exits the program. Console.write, enter the full path to save the extracted PDF pages. Output file. String output path equals console.readline. Output PDF path prompts the user for the output PDF file path where extracted pages will be saved and stores in an output path. String output directory equals path.get directory name. Output path. If directory.exists, output directory. Console.redelete, the output directory does not exist. Please check the path and try again. Return. Output directory validation retrieves the directory from the output file path and checks if it exists. If it doesn't, an error message is shown, and the program exits. Console.write, enter the number of search terms. If in.try parse, console.readline, out if num0terms and lt equals 0. Console.redelete, please enter a valid number of search terms. Return. Number of search terms prompts the user to enter how many search terms they want to provide. It attempts to parse this input into an integer, num0terms. If parsing fails or if the number is less than or equal to 0, an error message is displayed, and the program exits. List handle string and gt search terms equals new list handle string and gt. For if I equals 0, I am lt num0terms, I++. Console.write, $enter search term I+1. Search terms.add, console.readline. Collecting search terms initializes a list to store search terms. It then loops num0terms times, prompting the user to input each term and adding them to the search terms list. List handle and gt page to extract equals new list handle and gt. Pages list initialization initializes a list to keep track of the pages that contain any of the specified search terms. Using PDF document PDF doc equals new PDF document, new PDF reader, input path. Open PDF document creates an instance of PDF document to read the input PDF file. The using statement ensures that the PDF document is properly disposed of after use. For if I equals 1, I am lt equals PDF doc.get number of pages, I++, // PDF pages are 1 indexed. String page text equals extract text from page, PDF doc, I. Page loop, loops through all pages of the PDF, 1 indexed. For each page, it calls extract text from page to retrieve the text content of that page. For each, bar term and search terms. If page text contains term string comparison.ordinal in your case. Console.redelete $found term on page I. Page to extract.add I // add the page to the list if the term is found. break, / stop checking other terms on this page. Search for terms. For each page, the program checks each search term to see if it exists in the page text, case insensitive. If a term is found, it prints a message indicating the term and the page number, adds the page number to page stow extract, and breaks out of the inner loop to avoid unnecessary checks. If page stow extract.count and GT0. Extract pages, input peak path, output peak path, page stow extract. Console.readLead, pages containing the search terms have been extracted successfully. Else. Console.readLead, no matching terms were found in the document. Extract pages, after checking all pages, if any pages were found containing the search terms, it calls extract pages to create a new PDF with those pages. If no pages were found, it notifies the user. Static string extract text from page. PDF document PDF doc. If page number. Var strategy equals new location text extraction strategy. Var text equals PDF text extractor dot get text from page. PDF doc dot get page. Page number. Strategy. Return text. Extract text from page method. This helper method takes a PDF document and a page number as parameters. The location text extraction strategy to extract text from the specified page and returns it as a string. Static void extract pages, string source up path, string output peak path, list and GT pages. Extract pages method. This method takes the source PDF path, output PDF path, and a list of page numbers to extract. It will merge the specified pages into a new PDF. If file.exists, output peak path. File.delete, output peak path. / or prompt the user to choose a different path. Output file handling, checks if the output file already exists and deletes it to avoid conflicts. This could also be handled by prompting the user to choose a different path. Using PDF document PDF doc equals new PDF document, new PDF reader, source F path. PDF document output peak doc equals new PDF document, new PDF writer, output peak path. PDF merger equals new PDF merger, output peak doc. For each, in page number is pages. Merger.merge, PDF doc, page number, merging pages. This block opens the source PDF and creates a new PDF for output. It initializes a PDF merger to combine specified pages from the source PDF into the output PDF by looping through each page number in the pages list and merging them. Conclusion. This C# program effectively demonstrates how to use the iText library to extract specific pages from a PDF document based on user-defined search terms. It includes essential error handling and prompts, making it user-friendly while showcasing basic PDF manipulation techniques in C#. Important notes. iText license. Ensure that you are aware of the licensing terms of the iText library, especially if you plan to use this code in a commercial application. Error handling. Further enhancements could include more robust error handling and user feedback to improve usability.
Alright guys, thank you for watching.